If you live in Grand Bay or you are on holiday in that area, probably you use that road, 20-foot road, the main road, 1,000 times, and you pass that very nice Farata shop always, which we will show you today, and we will find out which chicken version is better, the twister or the tandoori. Come with me. I would like one cheese, one vegetable, one tandoori, and one twister.
Twister. Yeah. I want it spicy or
Spicy.
spicy. And you are going to eat here?
Yeah.
Okay. Just give me 5 minutes.
The cheese is very rare. Not so many places selling it, so it's a very unique Farata. The vegetable is much more common. You can find it everywhere. And the tandoori and the twister is a chicken version, and we will find out which chicken is the best. Bon appetit! That's a tamarind juice. It's really nice. That's the cheese. It's very creamy and buttery. It's very good mixture, very good taste. And I'm not very familiar with the spicy food. That's your option because it's like a cheese and buttery pancake. So let's see the vegetable. The Farata is thicker than everywhere else. It's a good thing because you can taste it. So the vegetable fillings are juicy and moisture, so it's not a dry thing. And the taste is very good, very spicy curry inside. That's the tandoori chicken. Basically, it's tandoori chicken with vegetable farata because that will gives the juiciness and it's not dry. It's a very good balance. The vegetable gives the sauce, so it's not dry. And the chicken is very tasty. It's very good tandoori chicken. Okay, let's see the twister. It has the same vegetable base, but the chicken is more Europe compatible, like a breaded chicken. I like that one more because the chicken gives more. There is a small crispiness inside, and you can feel more the chicken as well than in the tandoori. The tandoori is a good choice too, but I like the taste better in the twister. Thank you, it was very nice.
Thanks a lot. Okay, bye bye. See you next time.
Yeah.
Bye.